Hello, and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. Well, here on the micro chart, on the shorter time frame chart, that pullback that I talked about in the last video, which we thought might happen, actually happened. The price has now reached again micro support. I mean, it's just like we're going down, we're going up a bit, and all within a range. So all we can do at the moment is we can just have fun here. Just be patient, basically. We have to be patient and wait for the breakout because it's draining, it's boring. As long as we are in such a sideways range, it's just more difficult, right? It's just difficult to have to just be patient. Of course, things are a bit boring right now. But the thing is, at some point it will just break out and more interesting times will be coming, and a lot of people are now again leaving the market, getting bored and everything, and some point it will just move, and then it'll move fast, and then FOMO is gonna kick in, and you know how the routine works, right? So I think it's important to understand that we are currently in a phase in which the market could prepare for a breakout. That might be up or down. We are tracking the relevant parameters for that. I am seeing more 5-wave movements to the upside at the moment. So this is also 5 waves. Yeah. It can be classed as 5 waves. The pullback might not be over yet. Support is between a micro support. It's not so meaningful, guys. We're on the smaller time frames here, but micro support is 3,758 to 3,847. And from this micro support area, the market might try to grind higher in an internal third wave. But if that happens, then we need a break above the 4,022 level next. This is micro resistance and above the upper trend line. For now, I think this is an interesting area because we've moved from support from the lower boundary line of this range here back into Fibonacci resistance, which you now know about. I mean, we talked about in the previous update, but maybe you missed it. But this is the resistance area to watch in the range. So we have a range, and then within the range, we even have more support and resistance levels to watch because the chart is just boring, and we want to have something to watch on the smaller time frames. So we have micro support, which is now being tested. If this is a wave 2 pullback in the white scenario, the market should not break below $3,758. If it does, okay, then I mean, it's not necessarily invalidated, this local 1-2 setup, but it will be invalidated with a break below the Wednesday low. That formed here around 3,705. If we break below it, then it opens the door to a deep pullback towards $3,374. And this could be within, I mean, this could be a triangle, right? That's why I labeled it potentially here A, B, C structure. Can happen like that, and then we go down and hit this area, and that would be okay. I mean, it's not great, but honestly, there hasn't really been any meaningful impulsive reaction from the 10th of October low. There wasn't one. And so the chart can't really repair that until we get another low, because this would have to be, if we go higher now, this would have to be some kind of a diagonal pattern. And these are unstable. So if we get another low and then a proper impulse, that would also be okay. That's the update on Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure you also follow our other channels, like, for example, our MCO Global Equities and Commodities channel. You might not even know that it exists if you're only here for crypto. But crypto is a bit boring right now, so we cover stocks, gold, silver, a lot of other assets on this channel. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.